Well, what's up, guys? Happy day after Christmas. Hope you all had a nice Christmas. I know I did. Welcome back to the channel. Let's roll the little intro and we'll get into today's topic, the Permashine. My final thoughts on this stuff. All right, guys, welcome back. Well, you probably know from the thumbnail, I'm less than impressed with this stuff. The reason why I've done a couple of reviews on this stuff is because the ad campaign is so aggressive on this stuff, and I thought it'd be a game changer. I wash my cars a lot, at least 3 times a month for all my cars together. And I was like, this is great. This last year, outstanding. Did I really think it last year? No, but 6 months would have been nice. I'm struggling to get 2 weeks out of it. If you follow the channel, I did a review, a few months ago. I gave it a second chance. I thought maybe there's something I didn't do it right. I did it on both my C8s and my wife's Buick Envista. Didn't last very long. I did it on my C5Z in pretty good conditions, minimal driving the last month. It sat under a cover for 10 days of that. And yeah, the last wash I did, it came right off. So I'll show you the process, how I put it on, a couple clips in between me putting it on and the final wash just a few days ago. Sadly, cannot endorse this stuff. Not a fan. I tried, man. But for me, back to chemical guys. I'm not sponsored or endorsed by anyone. Don't think I am. But like I said, yeah, this stuff is just so aggressive, the ad campaign. And I just don't want people to spend their money on stupid stuff. So, all right, so I'll show you the process, how I put it on, how it held up, and then the last wash and how it looks now. We're all washed up really well. These tires are super freaking clean. It's actually a really nice November day. It's about 60 degrees already at low humidity. I think it's good conditions to apply this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get this dried off really well, let it dry for half an hour after it's dry, and then we will apply wheel by wheel and go from there. We got 4 dry tires. Some of the cars still up, but so I got a leaf blower and towel. The tires, they're dry. This stuff's very straightforward to apply. Watch my first video. Microfiber applicator, apply liberally in all directions to get in all the little cracks and stuff. And if you want more of a shiny shine, wait 30 minutes and reapplicate, which we're gonna do. So I'll do one tire at a time, quick little time lapse. This stuff is very sticky. People say this is a lot like mop and glow. It kind of is. If you ever served in the Navy and waxed the deck or floor, this stuff, I don't know what the SDS on this is, but it's just like floor wax. It might be floor wax. I have no idea. So yeah, make sure you wear a glove on your applicator hand. And yeah, we'll go through real quick, wait 30 minutes and do another round. And yeah, go from there. All right, coat number 1. Let's give it 30 minutes. Let's throw another little coat on. It's 2 coats. Let it dry for an hour. I'll give you the final look. But one thing I will say about this as of right now, if you got a car show or something coming up, it does look good for a few days. It does have a really good sheen to it. But I mean, again, you could do that with any real tire shine. I bought this for longevity, and that's the the result I am looking for. So give me an hour, I'll show you how it looks, and I'll close out this video. It's actually a few hours later, but here is our baseline, what we're working with, what we will be checking in on every day. It's not quite as shiny as the commercials. Probably gonna put like 5 damn coats on to get that shiny, but this is a sheen that I like. And it's kind of good. So in the front here, these are Pirellis. In the back, those are Continental. So 2 different types of rubber for more data points. That's how we're looking. So day 2, here's how we're looking. Not too bad. Pretty much the same as yesterday. Pretty happy with that. I drove this guy yesterday. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, here we are at day 3. I didn't drive it at all yesterday. I'm gonna drive it a lot today. Still looking pretty good. I do think these wheels are better than the other cars I've used this on. I lost a little shine on this guy. Back tire still looks pretty good. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Day 4. Not too bad. These are holding up much better than the other 2 cars I've done, which is funny because this is right in the sun and everything. But yeah, that's how we're looking on day 4. I'm starting to think it's the quality or the type of rubber you put this on, but we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, here we are at day 5. We finally got some weather moving in the next few days, so that'll be a good test. Losing a little shine up here, losing a little bit. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so I was on vacation for 5 days, but it was actually day number 10. It's still pretty shiny. Actually, in its favor, had a car cover on it too. It's okay, it's losing a little bit of luster. Is it gonna last a year? No. I'll probably do this for a couple more weeks. I'll check the front too. Actually, the front's losing quite a bit, but it's still a little shiny. I'll have the car cover off tomorrow. But yeah, that's where we're at. All right, here we are, day 40. I was gonna do this in 30 days, but yeah, life gets hectic. I gave it a quick wash. I did not scrub the tires. I only washed the rim, if you will, the wheel, not the tires. And here's how we're looking. So it's pretty much all gone, all the shine. A little bit left over. And this is how I wash the wheels off. Pretend that tire is, I just washed the car, but about this far away. So very minimal pressure. It's unfortunate. There is some remnants on the back here, but it's all coming off. So how this stuff is supposed to last a year through car washes and stuff, it's baloney. It ain't real. So yeah, this is the definition of snake oil. I bought it. I mean, if you leave your car in a garage, temperature controlled. Now, if you leave your car in a temperature controlled, climate controlled garage, you wash it once a year, sure, it wouldn't be so bad, but because you have to be so meticulous when you put it on, it makes it really annoying. So I'm definitely going back to my old stuff, my chemical guys. Just so much easier. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just like them. So there you go. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. This is my 3rd set of wheels. None of them lasted more than 3 weeks or so before they just look like doo-doo. So that's where we're at. All right, well, there you go. You kind of notice how we went from day 10 to day, I say 40, it's like day 36 or 7. I was really busy. We were out of town a lot. The car was covered a lot of that time. I noticed a difference though when we started getting freezing temps for the last 10 days and a lot of rain. After that, it really broke it down. It lost a lot of its sheen. Before I washed it, I didn't think it was all gonna come off. I was like, cool, I can show you what's left, a little bit of the shine left. But yeah, just spraying it from 5 feet away, a little bit of the soap I had on there, took it right off, which is unfortunate. So yeah, man, it sucks. I wanted it to be good, and I gave him a second chance even, and he saw how I put it on. So in any case, there is another product out I do want to review. It's a little window for your windshield. It's like a magnet. It looks really cool. And you put 2 pieces of cloth or like cleaner, and you just, it's almost like if you have a fish tank cleaner. Like that could be really interesting, especially for the C8 because it's so hard to get added. I know there's little sticks and stuff you can get, but I like innovative products, so I'll probably do that product review next. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, so there it is. Permashine is what it is. So All right, guys, I'll see you guys in a few days. I'm still waiting on my rear diffuser for my C5. It was supposed to be here last week. It's so frustrating. I might have my mother-in-law drive the C8 tomorrow. She wants to drive it, so we'll see how that goes. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in a few days. Until then, mark out.